Hello class, it's Mr. Wicklehouse, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about using a protractor and how to measure angles. So this is a protractor. It's like a little half circle kind of a thing, and you can see that all along the top and then another row along the bottom is the measure of a whole bunch of different angles here, 10, 20, 30, so on and so forth, all the way around to 180. Okay, there's the 180 and so on. Alright, these are not that hard to use. There's a little circle, or sometimes with a different protractor there might just be a little tick mark down here that you're going to put at the vertex of your angle. Okay, you can see here, and on some of them they'll say this, that angles that are opening to the right are angles that are opening this way. You're going to use this lower scale to measure it. And angles opening to the left or opening this way, they'd be going like this, you're going to use the top scale. Well, all the angles that I'm going to measure for you today are using, they're going to be opening to the right, so we're going to be using the lower scale. Okay. So the idea here is I've got my little circle here, my little hole right there, and I want to place that right here on the vertex of my angle. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to place that on my vertex, and then I'm going to kind of, I don't know how well you can see it, there's a little line here that I want to make this line right here line up with, and I'm trying to measure and see what the measure of this angle is. So this guy's coming up through here, and we can kind of extend that out if we need to. If the leg of the angle is too short, you might take your protractor, the straight edge of your protractor, and just extend that leg out so that it measures up or matches up pretty easily. And then we can see here, here's 30. Okay, and then we're counting up 1, 2, 3. So the measure of this angle here is about 33 degrees. Okay? Let's look at the next one real quick. Here's the vertex of our angle. Okay? Remember, I put the vertex in the little, where the little hole is, and then line up the bottom leg of that angle. Again, I'm too short, so I'm going to take my straight edge and extend this leg out, line back up, and I'm going to measure. So here's 120, here's 110, here's 115. We're too short of 120, so the measure of this angle is about 118 degrees. Last one, if we could get it to focus in on it anyway. Let me see if I could get it to focus. There we go. Alright, these two have been too short, so I'm guessing that this one's going to be too short too, so let's go ahead and extend this out. Extend that angle out. Make a little point at my vertex so it's easier to see on my dot. Line everything up. There we go. And it looks like we're at about between 20 and 30. So this is going to be about 25 degrees. That's all there is to using the protractor. You just got to remember, if it opens, the main thing is remembering that if it opens to the right, that you're using the bottom part of it, and if it opens to the left, you're using the top part of it. And then it's just like reading a tape measure or a ruler. All right, that's all we got. See you later.